This is an unboxing and review of the all-around windshield cleaner and ice scraper by AutoEC. This is what the box looks like from the front, from the back. Let's get it open. There's the head. The cover for the head. There's the wand, the actual head itself with the microfiber cloth, ice scraper, and little end piece so you can put it on as like a nail or something to store it. Let's see what it looks like when it's all put together. Alright. It goes on like that. You have the option to put this on or that on, so I guess we'll put that one on because we're not going to be using it for any ice. I guess you can take this head off. Yeah. Put a different one on. This one, oh, this one's more for like scrubbing or something if you're using it with soap, like a squeegee. Okay. Come on. Now I'm gonna be using this on my dad's truck. But first, I'm gonna have to switch it to this microfiber cloth. I will show you before and after of the truck. This is a video of the windshield right now. This is how it looks right now. Really dirty. We're gonna be cleaning it with the AutoEC all-around windshield cleaner and ice scraper. But we don't really get a lot of ice in San Antonio, Texas, as you can see with that beautiful blue sky. Alright, so this is the windshield now. As you can see, it's much cleaner. Like, you can actually see through it now. It's not perfect by any means, but it's way better. And apparently you did need that other head. The blue one is for cleaning, deep cleaning, and then the black one is for just drying it off. Yeah. Look at that. Thank you for watching our unboxing and review of the AutoEC all-around windshield cleaner and ice scraper. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified of all our new videos.